Mula nang magsimula ito noong 2005, ang Pinoy Big Brother o PBB ay nagpakilala ng iba't ibang personalidad sa bansa. Ilan sa kanila ay naging mga sikat na pangalan at tunay na mga heartthrob. These are the top 10 most handsome PBB housemates na hinangaan hindi lang dahil sa kanilang mukha, kundi pati na rin sa kanilang kasikatan at talento. As of 2025, these housemates stand out as fan favorites, heartthrobs, and digital stars, garnering millions of followers and maintaining their status as some of the most admired men to ever step foot inside the PBB house. Marco Gallo was a teen housemate in PBB Lucky 7 in 2016. The Filipino-Italian model earned the nickname Piglio Bello ng Italy. Sa loob ng bahay, kilala siya bilang mahilig matulog at palabiro. Ang kanyang mapangahas na personalidad na pilyo pero guwapo ang naging tatak niya. Siya ay nakakuha ng 7th big placer among the teen housemates. Si Gerald Anderson ay isang teen housemate sa PBB Teen Edition 1 noong 2006. Ang aktor na taga General Santos City ay half American at nakilala bilang Amboy Hati ng Gensan dahil sa kanyang itsura at athletic na pangangatawan. Siya ang hinirang na 3rd big placer sa likod ni na Kim Chiu bilang big winner at Mikey Lee bilang 2nd big placer. Gerald's fiery but protective nature and his romantic link with Kim Chiu were among his defining traits on the show. Zanjo Marudo was a celebrity housemate on PBB Celebrity Edition 1 in 2006. The model actor was noted for his calm, friendly disposition, often described as chill. He ended up among the final 4, finishing as the 4th big placer. Tom Rodriguez, credited by his birth name Tom Mott, was a PBB double-up housemate in 2009. Isang Filipino-American na may background sa graphic arts. Nakilala siya bilang isang taong masigasig, subalit mainitin ang ulo sa mga task. Bilang resulta, he was forcibly evicted on day 42. Will Ashley, a housemate on PBB Celebrity Collab Edition in 2025. A former child actor from Cavite, he captured viewers' hearts with the moniker ang Mama's Dream Bay ng Cavite. Nakipag-partner siya kay Ralph De Leon. Sila ay naging isa sa mga huling duo na pasok sa Big Four. Danielle Matsunaga, a Brazilian-Japanese model, was the first foreign-born winner of PBB, triumphing in Pinoy Big Brother All-In in 2014. Naging ikatlong celebrity winner siya ng franchise sa isang season. Ang kanyang charm, magandang mukha, bright smile, bubbly personality, at galing sa football ang nagpa-stand out sa kanya mula pa sa unang araw sa PBB house. Edward Barber appeared on PBB Lucky Season 7 in 2016 as a teen housemate. A British Filipino from Germany, he was affectionately dubbed the cheerful charmer ng Germany. Nagtagal si Edward hanggang sa katapusan ng season at nagtapos bilang 4th big placer. Ang kanyang pagiging palakaibigan at pagiging mapagkumbaba ang dahilan kung bakit siya naging paborito ng mga tagahanga. Sam Milby joined PBB Season 1 in 2005 as a late entrant. A shy Filipino-American at first, he quickly became a fan favorite and was nicknamed the Crush ng Bayan. Ang mahiyain na pagkatao ni Sam at ang kanyang boy next door na image ang tumulong upang simulan ang kanyang career sa showbiz pagkatapos ng PBB. James Reid competed in PBB Teen Clash of 2010. The Filipino-Australian singer and actor joined on day 22 and lived 57 days in the house, ultimately winning the entire season. After his win, he became a breakout star with former Real and Real ex-girlfriend Nadine Lustre. His calm, model-like presence and strong performance in task led him to victory. Before we reveal our top 1, here are the honorable mentions. Keith Thompson, a standout from PBB Teen Edition 4 in 2012. Keith was known for his mestizo features, model-like aura, and confident personality. Ralph De Leon from PBB Celebrity Collab Edition in 2025. Ralph quickly earned attention for his clean-cut looks and athletic demeanor. Rocky Salumbides, an international model from PBB Double Up in 2009, brought sophistication and maturity to the house. He voluntarily exited to be with his loved one, actress Eula Valdez, leaving fans both surprised and touched. Matapos alamin ang ilang mga male housemates na kapansin-pansin ang kagwapuhan at paborito ng mga tagahanga, panahon na para ihayag ang isa na talagang namukod-tangis sa iba. Tanner Mata, ang incredible hunk ng Nueva Ecija. Hindi lang siya nakabighani sa mga manunood dahil sa kanyang magandang mukha, he consistently impressed inside Kuya's house by showing strength, determination, and leadership during weekly tasks. His fellow housemates even gave him the nickname Superman or Super Mata for his reliability, grit, and all-around heroic presence. He stayed 129 days straight in Pinoy Big Brother Lucky Season 7 without ever leaving the house. Tanner's unbroken 129-day stay remains the longest for adult housemates, surpassing all other adult contestants. Siya ay hinirang na fifth big placer. Hindi lang basta magandang mukha si Tanner Mata, siya ay isang maaasahan, matatag, marunong makisama, matibay ang loob at mahusay sa halos lahat ng mga task sa loob ng PBB house. Tanner Mata wasn't just a handsome face, he was the full package. Beyond his good looks, Tanner proved to be a highly competitive, disciplined, and resilient housemate who consistently gave his best in every weekly task. He consistently showed that real strength lies not only in muscles, but in character. That's why many fans and housemates considered him one of the most unforgettable and well-rounded housemates in Pinoy Big Brother history. Thank you for watching! For more news on the go, please check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Spread the love from your Chika Hanan family.